Elise High from Terrier Vision alongside men's basketball coach Mike Young. Coach, you're less than a week away from your first game of the season. How does this make you feel?
Apprehensive. We've got a long way to go, Elise. We're doing okay. We've got a long way to go. Every team across the country is saying that. I think if you're too far along, I would have some concerns if that was the case. We're working hard and, trying to, put things in. I've been careful not to give them too much, and that's a risk that I could make because we have so many returning kids. But, they're doing a nice job and absorbing, and, our practices have been pretty crisp, and I thought we scrimmaged pretty well on Sunday. I think we're probably about where we should be, I hope, to take on a terrific team in Stanford that's coming off a Sweet 16 appearance a year ago, travel across country and play, a great program such as that is going to be a lot of fun. I know our kids are excited about it, and it's about time to see another colored jersey other than, our own in here every night banging against each other.
And you said you just put your team through a few inter-squad scrimmages already, through those and through the practices. Are there any surprises that you've seen that we as the fans should know about going into the first game?
I don't know surprises, Elise. We had the Costa Rica experience, and we had a pretty good look at them then. I am very impressed with our young kids. Larry McKnight, Derek Brooks, Cameron Jackson, Bobby Perez are all working really hard and really trying to adhere to the things that are important to us. I've been very impressed with them, but those old guys have been through it and know what it's all about. I am pleased with the energy and the effort that they bring in here on a nightly basis. We've got 8 more practices before we play, and we've got a lot to do between now and then.
Well, Coach, keep working. We can't wait to see you guys at Stanford November 14th. Thanks for your time, Coach.
Thanks a lot, Elise.
Elise High with Terrier Vision. This has been Coach Mike Young.